Hi, I'm Chef Colin and today I'm going to show you how to cook this cranberry pistachio turmeric rice using this Panasonic low sugar IH rice cooker. Come, let me show you how it's done. Okay, first we open this and I have 2 cups of rice here, wash. Pour everything in. 2 cups of water. Turmeric that's been sliced, sprinkle all over the rice, and some salt. Okay, so just give it a good stir so that it's all well mixed in there. Okay, so I put the rice in already, so I'm going to choose the enhanced taste function. Press the start button, and on top of that, it comes with 11 different menu settings for different kinds of rice, different kinds of cooking suitable for the whole family. Okay, so our rice is cooked. Open it up and just look at the steam that's coming out. Right, so just remove the turmeric that's on top of the rice. Put it all together into a bowl here. You can just put it aside. Okay, so let's loosen up the rice. Wow, look at the hot steam. Okay, so I'm going to transfer the rice over to a bowl. Lovely and fluffy. So next, I'm going to add in all the ingredients. The pistachio. Sprinkle it over the rice. Cranberries. Mint leaves. And last but not least, pepper. So toast it well. It's lovely to serve with roasted chicken. Wow, it's just amazing and it's so healthy to be served with our main dish. Right, so just look at the colors here. It's so colorful and nice.
Panasonic.